Hello, gorgeous. Today I'm going to show you how to paint in acrylics, and we're going to have this lilac breasted roller as our subject. This one is wild in Africa, and I will be posting the reference photo as a community post. So if you want to paint this exact painting, you can have the reference photo. Let's get started. I'm setting up my little workspace next to the window. This is the reference photo. A friend of mine gave me this photo a long time ago, and she was a tour guide in Kenya. And so this is a lilac breasted roller that's out in the wild. Actually quite a nice photo with contrast. I kept wanting to make it bigger, so it's so funny. I kept going like this. But it's quite small. I will post this as a community post so you will be able to use it. And hopefully you can zoom in a little. I'll try to get some good resolution on it for you. So let's paint. Here are the colors I'm starting with. Some blues, white and green. Then I start with the sky because it's the farthest back. And then I put in these light mountains and then the foreground. And you can start to see some texture of the leaves. Now I'm outlining the bird. I'm really trying to get an accurate silhouette of the bird because it's a lilac-breasted roller and not a finch, so his beak is very important. Now I'm putting in blocks of colors, and then I start to put in the details after that. I do some adjusting of the silhouette and add some more details. Put some texture of the feathers. And the photograph is very nice because it has lovely shadows. I always put the darks first, then the midtones, and then the lights. And here is the result. The lilac-breasted roller wild in Africa. Thank you so much for watching. My original artwork is available on Etsy. May God bless you. Please like and subscribe, and if you want, leave me a comment. I'd love it.